guys, this is Miss Stott, and today we're going to talk about solids, liquids, and gases. So if you look at this animation here, we're going to be going from a solid into a liquid into a gas by melting. So if we look at this solid here, we're on a hot plate, and we're going to be increasing the heat. But over here, we've magnified the actual particles to be able to see what they look like. So the particles in a solid are arranged in a tight, regular pattern and move very little. So they basically just vibrate in place, but they always stay in the same location. They're just vibrating in place. So they're really, really close together. This is why solids are hard and have a definite shape, so they don't change shapes. Let's go ahead and melt it into a liquid and see what happens. So the heat's going up, which you can see over here. Now we have a liquid. So particles in a liquid move past one another easily. So they kind of slide past each other. They are close together, but they're not neat like a solid. So with solids, they're in a neat formation. They kind of look like straight lines all the way up. But if you notice over here, the liquids are really moving around. So they're kind of flowing. That's how liquids flow. Let's go ahead and make them into a gas by adding more heat. So we see the bubbles, that means it's boiling. You can hear the bubbles. So over here, we have a gas, and all the particles are flying all over the place. So they're bouncing off the walls, they're bouncing off of each other. So particles in a gas move rapidly, and they're really, really spread out. The next thing that we're going to look at is a video about states of matter.
The states of matter are gas, liquid, and solid. Gases assume the shape and volume of their container. Particles of a gas are separated from each other, move in straight lines, and in a completely random manner. They change direction only when they collide with each other or the container. Liquids have a definite volume and assume the shape of their containers. The particles of a liquid are closely spaced, and so their motion is still random, but much more limited. The particles slip past and collide with near neighbors. Solids have a definite shape and volume. Particles of solids are in fixed positions and collide only with near neighbors.